So, very good evening to all my friends. Once again, welcome. Today, I would like to discuss one of the very thoughtful idea and analogy that do we need to be professional? Professional can be a scientist. Professional can be professor. Professional can be artist. Professional can be musician. So whatever form of professional. So today I would like to give you a connect with the biological uh, entity that is specifically uh, in the form of atoms. Okay, my dear friend, we know that any organisms on the earth, or either it is living organisms or non-living organisms, are made up of atoms, right? This one. So whether the like we as a human has to be professional in any field in the form of atoms, right? And that is why today I would like to give you very interesting facts about how to be a professional at atomic level or atoms level, right? So in that I would like to give you one a very good explanation or the connect between the profession or professional and atoms. Okay. So in this direction, first, so this is the whole of I represent Cancer and Translational Research Lab, CTRL. Also, we have a YouTube channel that is on Metaboxy. Okay. So in the same line, today I thought, okay, we should connect the dots in a very mindful manner and thoughtful manner, how the atoms will be connected with the profession or the professional life. Okay. So, my dear friend, here is the explanation. That's what I thought I should share with all of you. As I said, that living organisms or non-living are made up of atoms. In fact, if we simplify the thing here, like human as an organism has more than trillions of cell or the human cell, okay, in the form of a skin cell or nerve cell or liver cell or any kind of cell, right? So all these trillions of the cell together makes an organism. And within each cell, there are biomolecules like DNA, RNA, protein, lipids, carbohydrates. And these biomolecules are, in fact, created by certain atoms like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. So, in fact, if you look at the human body is nothing, it is just reflection of these atoms. Trillions and trillions of atoms are working together, right? So I thought, okay, if the human has to be a professional, then how it well connects with the atoms, right? Atoms not in reality in the biological cell system. In fact, atoms in a very simplified manner, I thought to present in a different perspective, okay? So if you look at here, the atoms word, I simplified this way with an analogy that A refers here, that is articulative. Any professional in any field has to be articulative. Again, human body cannot be articulated without the whole functions of the cell, biomolecules, DNA, RNA, protein, or atoms, right? So here again, atoms play an important role in the articulation of thought process, right? And that is why A for atoms, T for thoughtful, right? No? A human or any professional has to be thoughtful in their mind. And again, thoughtful cannot be achieved by any human body until and unless tissue, cell, organ, they work together at atomic level. Now, the third, the part of the atoms are is the O for observational. Okay. So the whole mind has to be observational in any profession. It can be scientist, it can be a musician, etc. So the O represents your observation, observational. M represents your mindful. Always our minds should be very, very attentive, mindful in any profession. And that makes, and definitely, again, the mindfulness cannot be achieved by alone. And actually the cells has to work, biomolecules has to work at atomic level, right? Then the last, the part of the atoms that I think that is the S for subject expert. We have to be specialized to an extent, so that we can be a good professional. So I thought, okay, to share with all the people, and I believe it can be useful to each and everyone. Those are in any field, any profession. But the whole message is we have to be uh, professional, not just from outside. We have to be at very grassroots level by imbibing the whole concept of atoms. So profession or professional should be at atoms level, and that is why A for articulative, T for thoughtful, O for observational, M for mindful, and S for subject expert or specialist. And that is why the human ship are created by the trillions of the atoms, trillions and trillions of the atoms. So it makes sense, right? To be also professional at atoms level. Atoms not in reality within the cell or the molecules. Atom represents here in a different perspective. Okay. So the professional at atoms level is the key message here. Thank you very much. And I believe that, you will catch, you will carry certain message from this particular video. And thank you once again watching, and best of luck. Thank you very much.